Hey crypto enthusiasts! Today, I'm going to show you how to join the Binance affiliate program and start earning those sweet commissions. Ready? Let's dive in. First things first, you need a Binance account. If you don't have one, don't worry. It's super easy to create. Just head over to Binance.com and follow the sign-up process. Once you're in, you're all set for the next step. Now let's talk about the Binance affiliate program. Navigate to the Binance affiliate program page. You'll find it under the Earn section on the main menu. Click on it and hit Apply Now. Simple, right? In your application, you'll need to provide some details. Binance wants to know about your social media platforms, website, or any other traffic sources you have. They're looking for affiliates with a strong following, relevant content, or a large audience in the crypto or finance space. So make sure you highlight your strengths. Once you've submitted your application, all you have to do is wait. Binance will review your details, and if everything checks out, you'll get approved. And here comes the exciting part. After approval, you'll receive a unique referral link. This is your golden ticket. Share it with your audience through your social media, website, or any other platform. Every time someone signs up through your link and makes a trade, you earn a commission. It's that simple. So, what are you waiting for? Join the Binance affiliate program today and start maximizing your earnings in the crypto world. Hit that apply button and let's get started. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto tips and guides.